Chris Humphreys brings management-level talent and TV news roots to Vulcan Media. His career experience has included leading promotion and production for television stations and college institutions. He has international experience as a videographer, national exposure as an editor and a graphics designer. His specialties include high-end motion graphics, video editing, and photography. Together with his wife and children, Chris contributes work to educational events, church activities, and often produces work for nonprofit organizations as a way to give back to the community. How about that? Are you wanting me to speak while you're doing that sideways? Yeah. Okay, you're standing to my right side, and Ben Taylor is a national network